drop me off at the work and he picks me up after work. It's Friday morning and we're on our way to work.
I don't want to go. Day 4 for you? It's awesome.
Yeah, day 4 for me, and here it's, of course, it's Alaska, so it's always snowy.
6 a.m.
Besides
negative
summer.
26 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 32
Negative 32 Celsius.
It's cold.
Fucking cold.
Cold.
Okay. This is the advantage of working at the same place together. I mean,
One base, similar time.
yeah, similar time. So he dropped me off at the work and he picks me up after work.
Because I'm a chauffeur.
That's my man. So from our house, it's 5 minutes drive to my work.
Like 2 or 3.
3
It's really
minutes.
close.
Well, it's the road is slick, so
It is, especially these stop signs.
yeah, you need to stop.
Actually, I'm not gonna stop. I like to coast through them so I don't have to spin my tires trying to leave.
But you told me you should really stop at the stop
You
sign.
should.
Completely stop.
You should.
See?
But I don't.
I did it once. You scolded me. Like just okay,
That's
no.
for the driving test. Nobody actually stopped except for police cars. Especially here in Alaska. Whenever you come to a complete stop.
That's a
hard to get
BX.
going.
Oh, you're saying something though?
Nope. Not important.
It's a BX here. Oh yeah, that's my working place.
Right next to the VX. And the gym.
And the gym.
From Chicken Brown Town. You'll stop, my dear.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, that's where I work. Arctic Night Bowling Center.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Turn this out.